In this video, I'll show you how to adjust spacing in Google Docs. If your document looks too cramped, too spread out, or just a little messy, spacing is usually the reason. The good news is that Google Docs makes it very easy to fix. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to adjust line spacing, paragraph spacing, and a few extra settings that can make your document look cleaner and more professional. First, open your document in Google Docs and highlight the text you want to edit. If you want the spacing change to apply to the whole document, you can press Ctrl and A on Windows or Command and A on Mac to select everything at once. Now go to the toolbar at the top and look for the line spacing icon. It looks like a few horizontal lines with an up and down arrow beside them. Click that and you'll see several spacing options. You can choose single, 1.15, 1.5, or double spacing. As soon as you click one, Google Docs updates the selected text right away. If you want more control, click on Custom Spacing from that same menu. Here you can set the exact line spacing you want, and you can also adjust paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing controls the amount of space before or after each paragraph. This is useful if you want your document to feel more open without pressing Enter multiple times between paragraphs. For example, if your text looks too packed together, try increasing the line spacing slightly to 1.5. If your headings or paragraphs need more room, add space after the paragraph. Small changes like this can make a big difference in readability. You can also use spacing presets for quick formatting. Under the Format menu, go to Line and Paragraph Spacing, and you'll find the same options there. This is helpful if you don't see the icon in the toolbar. One important tip is to avoid adding extra blank lines manually by pressing Enter again and again. That can make your formatting inconsistent. Instead, use the spacing settings so everything stays neat and uniform across the document. And that's how to adjust spacing in Google Docs. Once you know where the settings are, it only takes a few seconds to make your document look much better and easier to read. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.